Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your GoDaddy website builder website with Google Tag Manager. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you have not already, and from there you can get started with accessing the website builder. So from here we can now go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is open it up in edit mode. So if you have not already, go ahead and open up your portfolio and dashboard where you can find your website, and then go ahead and open it up in editor mode. Once you've opened it up, it's going to look like this. From where we can get started editing our website. As you can see the right side of the screen, we can set up everything how we like, and now you can go and take a look at the sections right here. We have the website, theme, store, and so on, and what we want to do is click the settings options. By clicking settings, this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu. From where we can go and find everything we can go and manage regarding our website, and if you scroll down under analytics and tracking, one of the options is going to be called Google Analytics. This is what you can use, so you can either go ahead and use Google Analytics to go ahead and use your measurement ID that you can paste right here and then track your analytics using Google Analytics, or you can even use Google AdSense. That's also going to go and be able to help you out. So here you can go and paste your code and your ID to get started using Google Tag Manager directly through Google Analytics, and that is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.